Welcome back to my channel, guys. Don't forget to click on that subscribe button below the video. I just came across something on Binance. I think they just created a new method of payment system, which is Binance Pay. I think it's more like P2P, but a bit different, where you can use your QR code. You can send your QR code to someone to use it as a way of paying you your asset and things like that. So I noticed like they are giving some kind of free Cryptobox. I don't really know the full idea behind it, but the person that actually dropped the update for me asked me to actually rush it and be fast about it. So that's why I'm just sharing it with you viewers. You can try it as well and see. I will be showing you how to go about it. I have it. Let me check my WhatsApp. I have it the way it was sent to me on WhatsApp. This is it. So you can see I said run it. This is it from here. Fastest finger. Go to Binance menu, pay Cryptobox, claim and input this code. So I'll be showing you how to go about it now. To follow shortcuts, just go to your wallet. Once you go to your wallet, just go to P funding. Go to funding. Click on pay. This is pay. Click on pay. Then open Binance Pay. Once you open Binance Pay, yep, I already have a nickname, Binance. Then I'll continue. Then I need to enter my PIN. So now, while entering my PIN, I need to pause it for you not to see my PIN for security reasons. So after you enter your PIN, you create your PIN. It will ask you to use your 2-factor authenticator or 3-factor authenticator. Then it will bring you here. But before I continue, I would like us to check what is the meaning of this Cryptobox. So this is what the Cryptobox is about. Oh, what is Binance Cryptobox? Is a new feature of Binance, so you can create a Cryptobox and share with group of friends. In a nutshell, what it really means is it's someone trying to gift out crypto gifts to friends and family and other people. So it's just an opportunity to claim from this box that this person is sharing. You can claim from it before that it's a fastest finger something. So the moment you see this video, just try and run it. I'll drop the code for you in the video section, in the description section, so that you can participate as well. So let's continue. Then enter Binance Pay. That's what you click next. Enter Binance Pay. Then you click on Cryptobox. Then you click claim. Up top here, you can see it here. Click on claim. Then you paste the code which I said I will be dropping in the video description, which is this NTA6EA and so on. Come here, you paste here, claim now. So you can see it's claimed. So thank you for watching the video. That's just it. So simple. Thank you for watching, and God bless you as you like and share the video with your family and friends. Thank you very much.